Hi there, this is my Locke, and welcome to the 101st episode of Mini Lock Monday. So I was sort of going to call it quits for a while about the 100th episode, but my good friend, the Irish lockpicker, with the last lot of locks that I purchased from him, he threw in some minis. So yeah, may as well continue. So I've got here a Smith & Locke, and it's a tiny little luggage lock, little pin tumbler, 3-pinner maybe. Oh, there's the key. So yeah, 3-pin. How are we going to hold and tension this? Something like that maybe. Not feeling much in here. Oh yeah, pin 1 was tucked in behind the tensioner. There we go. So there we go. A nice little see-through, slightly see-through. What can we see? Not a lot. But yeah, we can just make out the Bible sticking down there. I think that'll be the Bible of the lock. It's like an upside down keyway there. 3 keys. Not very tricky, but there we go. Cute little Smith & Locke luggage lock. So yeah, thanks for watching the 101st episode of Mini Lock Monday. Cheers everyone.